So, ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to introduce you to Sarah Krulder.
Hello, my name is Sarah Krulder. I'm 11 years old, and I go to school on this very campus at amazing Evergreen 6. At Evergreen 6, we are so into helping our community and the environment around us. And I learned so much there already. A few weeks ago, we actually climbed Mount Lassen because we were learning about volcanoes. I can now say that that was one of the hardest things that I have ever done in my life. But what I'm here to do today is to sing for you. I've been preparing some songs for you, and the first song that I'm going to sing is called Don't Rain on My Parade. It's Barbara Streisand sang it in the production of Funny Girl. And this song really appeals to me because it sends out a message that no matter what anybody says, you should do what you're passionate about and what you believe in. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes us, but it's me, not you. Who told you allowed to rain on my parade? I'm not traveling down. I'm beating my drum. And if I'm found out, return it back, sir. At least I didn't fake it, head, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of your perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, a cinder on the shiny apple of its eye. I got a blue ones, I got a fair ones, only can bear ones, right, see? Life is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live it now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw that bell will go clang. I am the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, mister,